Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday. Here I had my video all filmed for today. And I have a box in the mail from SheModern. So that video is put on hold. We are going to show what we got in here today. Plus, don't forget about my giveaway, ladies. I am giving away, not that box. This is my giveaway box for SheModern Sticky Stamping Polishes, black and white sets. I will be drawing a winner every Saturday. So please enter under any SheModern Saturday video. Put enter me USA. Share the video. Share one of my giveaway posts on Instagram. I do put those up. Search through my stuff on Instagram. You'll find one. Screenshot this video and put that up, but you can win a set. These are the new ones, the black and the white sticky stamping polish by SheModern.com. It is a total game changer. If you are into stamping, you're going to want to get your hands on this. So enter my giveaway. Must be 18 years of age or older. Live in the US because I cannot afford international shipping. I'm very, very sorry. Tina sent these to me, so it's up to me to mail them out. So I have to stick with USA subscribers. Now on to our PR haul. Move on the little shreddy things. Okay. We're going to start over here with the scrapers. These are just the traditional scraping cards. You can get, I just want to make sure, she has red, pink, blue, and yellow as you see. She has her traditional white and black. She even has clear. I have these cards, so I think I'm going to keep all my doubles of sticky stamping polishes that I have. My cards, and when I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a separate little giveaway for that. So now we're going to show one by one. I'm not going to demo these today because there's like, I don't know, 20 bottles. I got a couple metallics in here, I think, which I'll show those separately. And these are all pearls, I believe. Pearl, lemon, sticky stamping polish. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Look at that. And these are pearls. I should have a brain fart. I don't know if I should open them all up and just swatch them on a paper towel. This is pearl green. Beautiful color. This is the pearl lime. Love this color. Beautiful, beautiful color for stamping over black. Any of these you can stamp over black and they're just beautiful. Pearl orange. Oh, here's my fave, pearl purple. I've noticed through a lot of YouTubers, our favorite colors are purple. There are those out there that are the blue and the pink, but the majority of us, it's purple. So I don't know what's up with it. I've also noticed, through watching other people's videos throughout the years, there's a lot of us YouTubers who have anxiety problems. I am one of. I do suffer from social anxiety disorder, PTSD, as well as depression. I am in therapy. I have been for years. The PTSD is something that has came about over the last 2 years as far as being diagnosed. But I'm in therapy. I'm on medication for the anxiety and all. Anyways, back to our video. Pearl Coral. This is a stunning color. I'm gonna love playing with these. Pearl Rose, and these are all stickies. They have, what makes them new and different from the old line is the sticky stays sticky longer. We have got the clear sticky stamping polish. which I had a mishap with that recently. In demo, it turned out perfect. On live camera, not so much. Because you can't see it on the black nail, you have to just trial and error with your pigment. Okay, sorry to take a drink. Trying to keep all the metallics out. Okay, we have got the pearl pink. Stunning. We have got pearl peacock. Oh, this is one of my faves. One of my faves. Look at how beautiful that is. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Whoops. Sorry for the glare. Just trying to show you the true color. Put that one aside. We have got the pearl white. Oh, that would be pretty as a polish too. Beautiful. Pearl blue. Blue, blue, blue. And you can see the difference between the peacock and the blue. Peacock. Blue, blue, blue. Let's see what's next. Pearl fuchsia. Loving it. SheModern has just the great colors. They really honestly do. This is the sheer white, which I'm going to put over with the sheer black. Okay, we are down to our last bottles. This is the opaque black sticky stamping polish, so we'll put that down here. The opaque white sticky. Okay, this is pearl yellow. Okay, now we're on to our opaque white and black sticky stamping polishes. Put those there. We have got, okay, those are the sheer. These are the opaque down here. And let me grab one of my older bottles. What is this? This is jelly watercolor. Give me a sticky. Okay, this is the pearl. Let me get it out. This is the old pearl. And this is the new. Now I'll show you the difference in labels so that you know. This hand here is the new. This is the old. So I'm trying to get these where they will focus. Less glare. Here we go. The new one's got like the reddish, pinkish, fuchsia hollow label. Put that away. So there's the difference between the old and the new. They stay stickier longer. There's a label change. I was also sent 3 metallics. You got the, ooh, this has got the purple. Ooh, ooh. Oh, the others don't. Ah, the silver has like a purple fuchsia label. Trying to move it so you can see if you can see it. Oh, loving it, loving it. Metallic rose gold. I really love this color. It looks so beautiful over black. And you have got the gold metallic. Loving it. So this is my PR haul for this week. I am going to unwrap them, come back with the paper towel, and I'm going to swatch them out real quick. Alright, we are back. I've opened everything, so I'm going to set aside the metallics, the opaques, and the shears. So we'll swatch those separately. I'm also going to set aside the clear because we won't see it to begin with. So with the clear side, we are starting out with the lemon. Pearl, remember these are all pearls. And wipe your brush off pretty good because we don't need a lot. Oh, buddy. And these are very full. Remember, they've been laying over, so there's the pearl yellow. Whoops. Some of these are kind of bright, like the pearl yellow is really bright. Pearl green. I think Brandy BRC Nails just swatched hers like this. This is a quick, easy to do because this would be a super long video. This is the lime green. It'd be a super long video if I stamped out each entire color. Pearl orange. Oh, this is a beautiful color. Look at that. Look at that. I'm loving these news. They're the new sticky stamping polish if you just joined us. They stay stickier longer. These are the pearls. We have done the yellow, the green, the lime, the orange, the purple. Now we are onto the coral. Oh, I cannot wait to stamp with these. Here is the rose. Oh, look how pink that is. That is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Here is the pearl yellow. Oh, the first one was lemon. That was right. Pearl lemon. I think I like the lemon better than the yellow. This is kind of has a gold hue to it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it though. They separate these a little bit. We're now going to go in with the fuchsia. Wipe your brush off. Don't need a lot. That is stunning. I love these colors, Tina. I had just made a purchase for the pearls. And then they come out with a new stickier version. Here is the blue. Stunning. And here is the peacock. I love this color. I think it is, I mean, it's probably my favorite, this and the purple. And this is the white, which is a pearl white, so it, I'm hoping it shows a little bit on camera, something. Ooh. Okay, those are our pearls. Here is a close-up view, and remember they do stay stickier longer. These are all beautiful. There's a white here. There is a white. Can't really see it, but these are stunning. Now we're going to go on to the opaque white and black. This is the white. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Here is the opaque black. Of course. Of course, of course. Makes me think of Mr. Ed. There is the white and the black opaque sticky stamping polish. Now I shall go in with the, I'm going to do the shears next. And we know we're not going to be able to see the white, but we're still going to swatch it. Yeah, you don't see nothing because it's sheer and it's white. Next, the black sheer. Above your brush. See how that is sheer, then that's the opaque. You can get a glimpse of it. The sheer versus the opaque. Big difference. At least to the naked eye there is. Put the clear back over with. This is the metallics now, metallic silver. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Metallic. This is the metallic golds. Oh, I can't wait to use those at Christmas. And the last but not least, we have our rose gold. Sorry, I get parts really easy. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot on your brush. So we have got, to recap for you, we have got our pearls up top, our opaques, our sheer, and the last line here is 3 metallics. Silver, gold, and rose gold. And I think they are all, I'm really partial to the rose gold, really partial to the peacock, and the purple. Purple. I like the lime too. Don't get me wrong, where is it? Really liking the lime. Lime pearl is just stunning. Stunning. But these are the new version. New and improved sticky stamping polishes. We've got our opaques, our shears, our solid, and our metallics. They stay stickier longer. If you have not tried SheModern Saturday's sticky stamping polish lines, I urge you to try them. Even if it's just one color, even if you just order the black. Or if you just enter my giveaway to try and get them for free. It's a game changer. They will pick up perfectly. They will pick up the worst etched stamping plates that are so lightly etched that you normally can't pick up. They'll pick up. Plus, SheModern has its own reinforced jelly stamper out. This, I can't say enough good things about the stamper. It's got the plate inside, which stops it from caving in when you're stamping your nails. You just stamp on, and it doesn't cave in, no matter how hard you press. And this is a sticky stamper, but no matter how hard you press, it does not cave in. Go over my roller with this real quick. Get the fingerprints off. So check out SheModern.com. Check them out on Amazon. Stampers only on the website itself. I am a brand ambassador. I guess I should have said that at the very start. I am a brand ambassador for SheModern.com. Please use my code at checkout, NailedIt67, all in caps. Save yourself 10% off your order. So throughout the video, I'll put the NailedIt67 up, just, you know, so you're not waiting till the end of the video to see it. Check out my SheModern Saturday videos. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all my goodies for today. I think these turned out really stunning. Really do. I love the colors. They're vibrant. They're rich. They're pigmented. As far as not the shears, but you know what I mean. Well, this is the video for today. Stay tuned for the next couple of weeks where I'll be using these in my stamping on Saturdays. So check back, enter the giveaways. You must be subscribed at first and foremost. But you need to leave a comment. If you don't leave a comment, I don't know that you want entered. I've had a couple ladies recently since Tina's Live on Tuesday that they subscribed, and I thank you oh so very much. But they didn't leave and enter me or anything, so I don't know. I don't know who they are. Oh, buddy, I forgot to wake this up. So we are at the end of our video. Leave a comment. Please subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you.